Hello viewers. Today I am going to tell you a story about a person who has some candies and biscuits. Uh, you can see that he has 78 biscuits and 108 candies. And he want to pack them in some bags that have equally candies and number of biscuits. So how can he can pack that biscuits and candies? Let's see how we can help him to pack these commodities into the similar bags by using the HCF method. HCF method is the highest common factor in which has the, most of the applications in the daily life. One of which is the this. We can factorize it as 78 by prime factorization. 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9 and 13 1s are 13. And also we can make the prime factorization of 108. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So prime factorization of 78 is the 2 into 3 into 13, and prime factorization of the candies of 108 is the 2 square into 3 cube. So the highest common factor in this case HCF is the 2 and 3. As from the given powers, we take the least power factor from each of the factors to find the HCF. So HCF will become the 6th. So this 6 is telling that there are 6 number of bags which can be prepared from both candies and biscuits by using equal amounts. Like now we have to find that how many candies and biscuits can we pack in one bag. So it can help that number of biscuits (78). There are total number of 78 biscuits and we have to pack them into the 6 bags. So we can divide, which give us the 6 1s and 6 3s. Means there are 13 biscuits can be packed in each bag of the 6 packets, and the number of candies 108 over 6, 108 over 6. So 1 6. It means that there are 16 candies in each bag of 6 pack. We can pack in whole with no leftover. Means remainder is the 0. So we can also explain that biscuits, there are 6 bags of biscuits of 13 bags. Means one bag 13, second bag of 13, third bag of 13, fourth bag of 13, fifth bag of 13 and sixth bag of 13, which make the total of 78. So if we take the candies, so candies are the 16 candies. There are 16 candies in the one bag of the out of 6. Means 16 candies of first bag, 16 candies of second bag, 16 candies of third bag, 16 candies of fourth bag, 16 candies of fifth bag, and 16 candies of sixth bag. So it will become the total of 108 candies. So we can say that we can pack 13 biscuits, number of 13 biscuits and 16 candies in one bag. This is one bag, this is two bags, this is three bags, this is four bags, this is five bags, and this is six bags. So there are the total number of six bags in which we can pack all of these biscuits and candies in the similar bags with no leftover. Means all the candies and biscuits will be consumed. So there are some other examples and applications in our daily life we can use it to solve them by using the HCF, highest common factor method. Thank you very much.